Yes, students, we are going for the reactions of metals. The very first reaction of metal, the very first reaction of metal is the reaction of metals with oxygen or air. Reaction of metals with oxygen or air. So what we write, when metals combine with oxygen, when metals combine with oxygen, metal oxides are formed. When metals combines with oxygen, metal oxides are formed. Metal oxides are formed. Okay. After, what are the metal oxides? When metal is joined with oxygen, then it is metal oxide. So the reaction metal plus oxygen will form metal oxide. So we are going to start from the reaction, that very first reaction, that we are using metal sodium. Sodium metal is having symbol Na. It is solid. Sodium किस स्टेट में मिलता है? Solid स्टेट में. After then sodium solid reacts with oxygen. Then it will form the formula sodium oxide, that is Na2O. Now I am giving you how this Na2O is formed. You know about the cross multiplication formula making. How you form? That is, sodium is having valency +1. Oxygen is having valency -2. When these two valencies are given, you just cross multiply by forgetting sign. Now, what is the formula form? Na2O. This is called the sodium oxide. Okay, so this is the easiest way. Next, after it we are coming to the reaction that all metal oxides are basic in nature. All metal oxides are basic in nature. Basic means they are base. What is the definition of base? Base are the substances which forms or produces hydroxyl ion in presence of water. So when this oxide Na2O reacts with water, then NaOH is formed. This is a base, that is sodium hydroxide. This is known as the sodium hydroxide. Any doubt? This point is clear to all? Okay. After that, we are coming for some more reactions. After that, we are coming for some more important reactions. That is, when magnesium metal combines with oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide. Magnesium metal combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Now we are going for the state. Magnesium is in solid state. Magnesium रिबन मिलता है बेटा लैब में, हम चेक करेंगे, इसका टेस्ट भी करेंगे. ऑक्सीजन हमेशा किस फॉर्म में है? गैस की फॉर्म में. एंड मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड इज अ सॉलिड फॉर्म. It is a compound in solid form. नेक्स्ट बेटा आप देखिए, आफ्टर दिस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड इज आल्सो एसिडिक इन नेचर. कैसे हमें पता लगेगा? अगेन, when this magnesium oxide combines with water, then magnesium hydroxide is formed, MgOH twice. Magnesium hydroxide is formed, MgOH twice. Okay. After then हम इसकी बैलेंसिंग भी कर सकते हैं. How can you do the balancing? Magnesium here one, here also one, oxygen here two. So to balance, we have to multiply by 2. And to balance magnesium, this is 2Mg. This is the balanced reaction. Now I am writing 1 to 2 more reactions. Firstly, you have to find out their oxides. Zinc solid plus oxygen gas. What will form? You can text me on chat privately, not on the all. You can send message by chatting. Next is aluminium plus oxygen. What they will form? You have to write only the formula. Zinc plus oxygen. What it will form? Aluminium plus oxygen. What it will form? Yes, very good. Zinc plus oxygen will form zinc oxide. Formula is ZnO. That is ZnO. And aluminium plus oxygen will form, very good, Al2O3. That is aluminium oxide. That is aluminium oxide. To balance them, you have to multiply here 2, again here 2. For the balancing aluminium, you have to use from aluminium 2, here 3O2, 6 oxygen, 2, and here 4. Now the reaction is balanced. That is 4 aluminium, 6 oxygen, 6 oxygen. That is aluminium plus oxygen will form aluminium oxide. Aluminium plus oxygen will form aluminium oxide. After that, this is all about the very first term. That is the first chemical property, that is reactions of metal with oxygen. Second reaction is reactions of metal with water. Reactions of metals with water. Reactions of metal with water, that means metals react with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. And hydrogen gas is evolved. Keep in mind here 2 points are more. यहाँ पे 2 points लिखना हो, बहुत important है. If metal reacts with hot or cold water, then metal hydroxide with hydrogen gas produced. First point is clear. Now what is the second point? That is very important. If metal reacts with steam, steam is the boiling water, steam. then metal oxide, then metal oxide with hydrogen gas is produced. With hydrogen gas is produced. देखिए बेटा दोनों में सिमिलैरिटी क्या है? फर्स्ट सिमिलैरिटी ये है कि दोनों में हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज होगी, हाइड्रोजन गैस दोनों में ही रिलीज होनी है। बट अगर हम कोल्ड वाटर या हॉट वाटर की बात करते हैं देन ओनली मेटल हाइड्रोक्साइड्स आर फॉर्म, बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट steam then metal oxide is formed. So it is very important, please note down, then we are going for its reactions. Any student is having doubt in this? अगर आप पूछेंगे कि रीजन क्या है इसका, the reason is that because hot and cold water are simply divide into their ions, that is the hydrogen ion and OH negative ions. But जब हम स्टीम के साथ बात करते हैं तो इट इज हाईली रिएक्टिव। सो ये क्या करता है, स्टीम H पॉजिटिव और OH नेगेटिव में ब्रेक होने की बजाय डायरेक्टली ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करता है, दैट इज वेरी रिएक्टिव ऑक्सीजन नेम्ड एज नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन। और ये रिएक्टिव ऑक्सीजन होती है, this is in the brackets, this is very reactive oxygen, hence only one molecule is used to obtain metal oxide and hydrogen gases released. Okay, now we are going for the reactions. The very first reaction is again when we take sodium plus water, this water is cold. Sodium is in solid state, water is in liquid state. Water is in liquid state. Then sodium hydroxide, that is the aqueous solution, plus hydrogen gas plus some heat energy is evolved. Why this heat energy is evolved? This heat energy is depending because sodium is a highly reactive element. Because this sodium is highly reactive metal. This reactive metals combines very fastly. I am giving you a very simple example because this is a simple graph. After this you will understand how the heat energy is evolved or absorbed. There are two types of processes. One is exothermic process and other is endothermic process. You know about that? Exothermic reactions releases heat. अब वो क्यों हीट रिलीज करते हैं उसका मैं आपको यहाँ पर एग्जांपल देता हूँ। ये मेरे पास रिएक्शन प्रोसीड करेगी रिएक्टेंट टू प्रोडक्ट, और यहाँ पर हम बात करते हैं हीट एनर्जी। एट द स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टेंट्स की एनर्जी कुछ इतनी है, सपोज 10 किलो जूल, यहाँ पर है रिएक्टेंट, यहाँ पर रिएक्टेंट्स है। जब ये कंबाइन होते हैं इनकी कुछ एनर्जी बढ़ती है, बिकॉज ये कंबाइन होते हैं आपस में कोलाइड करने से, टकराने से। जब ये आपस में कोलाइड होते हैं इनकी कुछ एनर्जी बढ़ती है और फिर ये वापस प्रोडक्ट्स में आ जाते हैं। ऑलवेज प्रोडक्ट्स आर लोअर एनर्जी देन रिएक्टेंट्स, सपोज इट इज 2 किलो जूल, 3 किलो जूल। नाउ द डिफरेंस ऑफ एनर्जी, दिस इज इवॉल्व्ड. This difference of energy is evolved. This is known as the exothermic reaction, and mostly reactions are exothermic in nature. Generally all reactions which we proceed are exothermic in nature. Okay, second reaction की बात करते हैं अब हम, that is the magnesium plus oxygen. that is magnesium plus oxygen. What it will form? They will form magnesium oxide. Again, if we want to balance magnesium plus water, that is magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Again, balancing, how many amount of water will be required? 2 molecules of water is required to form magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Any doubt? Now these are the only cold water. It may be hot water. It will form magnesium hydroxide. But if we react magnesium solid with steam, then it is highly reactive because steam has very high energy. This steam, oxygen combines with magnesium to form only magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. So here only we use 1 molecule of water, but in case of cold water we are using 2 molecules of water. So this is the difference between cold water and steam. But still many metals are there which don't react with water. Metals like copper, silver, gold don't react with water. Don't react with water. Many metals like silver, copper and gold don't react with water. Okay. Next we are going for the third property. Next we are going for the third property, that is reactions of metals with acids. Reactions of metals with acids. What are the acids? What are acids? Acids are the substances which gives H plus ions in presence of water. Acids are the substances which gives H plus ions in presence of water. Okay, so this is the definition of acids. Now what happens when metals reacts with acids, generally with dilute acids? Metals react with dilute acids to form metal salt, and hydrogen gas. What is written? Metals reacts with dilute acids to form metal salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, next we are going for the reaction. It is very simple. Just हम ये पूछें कि ये कैसे होता है तो उसका सिर्फ एक ही आंसर है हमारे पास, because metals displaces hydrogen from dilute acids. Again, क्योंकि हमने बताया एसिड्स वो हैं जो H प्लस आयंस दे दें. एसिड से H प्लस आयंस रिलीज हो सकते हैं, बट जो मेटल्स हैं वो हेल्प करते हैं ताकि जल्दी से H प्लस आयन रिलीज हो. और मैंने आपको पहले बताया जैसे ही H प्लस आयन रिलीज होगा वैसे ही हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज हो जाएगी. So what is the reaction with metal like magnesium plus HCl? Two molecules of HCl is used, then what it will form? That is magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Magnesium solid plus 2HCl will form MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. This is the complete reaction. Magnesium solid plus HCl will form MgCl2. This is the metal salt. What is its name? Magnesium chloride. And here it is. That is the hydrogen gas. Now I am writing the states. Magnesium is in solid state. HCl is in aqueous state. What do you mean by aqueous state? Magnesium chloride is also in aqueous state. Aqueous state is the solutions in which the solution is formed by dissolving a compound in water. By dissolving a compound in water. जैसे ही हम water के साथ react करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या बन जाएगा? It will form magnesium chloride. Now I am giving you again question. Now you have to write the formula, that is aluminium plus 2HCl. What it will form? बनाइए बेटा. Aluminium plus 2HCl. Beta, all students have to turn on your camera. All students will turn on your camera, that I will see you. That what you are doing, you are studying or not. Yes, very good answers are coming. The answer is AlCl3 plus hydrogen gas. AlCl3 is in aqueous form. AlCl3 plus hydrogen gas. AlCl3 plus hydrogen gas. कैसे आया? You know about the valency of aluminium, that is the +3, valency of chlorine -1. Cross multiply, your answer will be AlCl3. Your answer will be AlCl3. Yes, without any doubt. Next we are going that, yes, you can balance, no problem. Balancing can be done. 2, 2, 6, 3H2. Balancing can be done. Again, aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid to form aluminium chloride plus hydrogen gas. How aluminium chloride AlCl3 कैसे बना, ये देखिए बेटा. AlCl3 कैसे बना? एल्यूमिनियम की वैलेंसी कितनी होती है? +3. क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी -1. जैसे ही हम इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करवाएंगे, then what is the formula will form? AlCl3. The formula will be AlCl3. One more question, that is what is aqueous solution? एक्वस सॉल्यूशन जिसे हम AQ से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, क्या कहता है? इफ सॉल्यूशन इज फॉर्म्ड, if solution is formed by dissolving solute in water, solute का मतलब जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट हैं आइदर साल्ट के, शुगर के या किसी भी कंपाउंड के, solute in water. For example, this is HCl. इसे बेटा दोबारा समझो ध्यान से, एक्वा सॉल्यूशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बहुत बार काम आएगा। मैंने लिख दिया सिर्फ HClG, लिसन, मैंने लिख दिया HClG, दिस इज HCl गैस, सो इसकी फुल फॉर्म रहती है हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस। क्या नाम रहता है इसका? हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस। लेकिन अगर मैंने इस HCl के साथ एक्वस लिख दिया, व्हाट इट मींस, जो हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस थी इसमें मैंने क्या ऐड करवा दिया? वाटर। जब हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड गैस में वाटर ऐड करवा दिया, देन व्हाट विल फॉर्म? HCl aqueous. What is HCl aqueous? This is known as hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. Now clear to all? Now it is clear to all? Okay. Today we are going till now 3 reactions will done. First is the reaction of metals with oxygen, second reaction of metals with water, and third is reactions of metals with acids. Okay, so all of you should have to take care, you should have to note down all these. If any doubt, you can leave in the group and text me message, otherwise you can leave the group.